So today you guys are getting a big amount of blessings. Can look upon this. Only in Jamaica, you know, massa. In America, people struggling and you think they're going to take up all them something and just give to you, sir? Nah, do it. Them nah gonna do it. Look what I get this morning from the country. A nice big avocado, we call them pear. Okay. How big this something is? Look on a big old pear. How much would I pay for that in America? And then look on the plant them. Look on this. Them ripen also if we go use them up. Eh? Straight out of the country them come from this morning. Now who could it be but Jesus? Man who not come home and come enjoy them like a blessings. Well again, coming home is one thing, but it's good if you're in the company of certain people. Because you have people who still with mean and tie up and not up and don't know, so the more them let go, the more God will bless them. Because you see, we can't wait till we have, oh, I don't have enough to share. I don't have enough to give back. But look at that. Look how God will provide. Me not forget buy plant in the market. Me not forget even never even think about pear. Unless I get pear. So I go cut it and I'm gonna see what it this can go down lower now. Can go down lower. So I'm gonna cut the avocado. I'm gonna see. Let's see how it look inside. Come never remember push prayers. Remember push prayers. How move these up further. Right? Wash it off. Remember post prayers. Boy, and you sometimes you have the pear treat them and bear nothing about boy. The pear them never thick at all and we call them post prayers. Post prayers. Oh my God. This is ripe and ready, guys. Ripe and ready. Unfortunately, we don't have no breadfruit yet. But God's willing to them, I go in the market. Like I said, we get breadfruit can roast. My God. Guys, look at this. This is no post price, guys. This is a real deal. Look at that. My God, look how thick it is. Guys, listen. I'm not tell sir, Jamaica have its issues, you know. I'm not tell nobody that. No, nobody go say, Miss Bev, I make it look like Jamaica have its issues. Jamaica have its issues. Just like everywhere have them issues. You know, see it? But let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Jamaica nice. Jamaica nice. Find yourself somewhere you can live. Find yourself into a gated community if you can. Find yourself among if you have good family. Because sometimes family might seem good, but if them see you kind of do well, them start get, a little, But you have the know-how. A lot of you have land that is sitting wasting. And you just sit in America paying all these bills, paying all these things, and can't even live a decent life. You just stress out every day if you find how much for mortgage, how much for this, how much for that. Just stress out. And so I say, look at that. Look at the pear there. So we need breadfruit or sweet potato for roast and for just enjoy it. So, sorry if I'm bombarding you with so much, but me telling them I feel good. God know me feel good inside. Me feel good. Me can get up. The summer was up at 3 o'clock, you know. I go to bed like 9 o'clock last night. But maybe I knew, maybe the Connecticut, I go to bed 9 o'clock. My God, me not go to bed till like 12 or so. Me just up. Went to bed last night. The little kids went to bed. Because Kayla is here with me and Rose is here. She's on vacation as well. And they're here with me and I gave them their snack. I sat at the table with them. They had their snack for before bed. They brushed their teeth. And we were there. Rose teaching Kayla her math and guiding and doing. And they would say good night. And they hugged me and went in. And I went in. I went, showered, and went to bed. And woke up at about 3 a.m. and was just walking around, just giving God thanks, just giving God thanks, just listening around to the silence. And then I said, I make a cup of Ovaltine, like about 3:30. I sat down at the table, had a cup of Ovaltine, and just sat there. And then about 4 something, I get up, went back to bed, and fell back into good sleep, man. And then the kids wake up and ask if they can come get them cereal and stuff. We tell them what to have. And me went back to sleep. And me hear the rain coming down. I say, oh, what a blessing. Yep. So, I tell you the God's truth. I feel so, like, it's a good feeling. Maybe your feelings and mine would have been different, but let me tell you something. You see, when you're not very stressed, it puts you in a different place. It puts you in a different mood. It puts you in a different place, I tell you. So, I tell you now. All right, I go get dressed. Guess what now? The ship iron down, but guess what? The iron not reach yet. So I have to figure out that I know wear jeans, pants, so you could have just shake out here and go. I'm never going to say I have nothing, they want to wrinkle up. We just pull you on for going to town today. But listen, who cares? God is good. I'm here and I don't care. I'm just giving God thanks. Look at the wind outside. You can see it, guys. It's the gentle rustling of the... It is so windy, the sea breeze that comes up. It just, my God, it just made the place so... just so much to appreciate. So much to appreciate. You give God thanks that I'm able to do it. No. I'm grateful to God I'm able to do it. No. My kids, again, you know how I feel about you all. Thank you. My sister this morning, my sister said, I want a swift kick because she didn't hear from me till. But I've been texting, but it never went through. I have the eSIM card on my phone. And I have my regular phone, but when I do some things, I'm supposed to switch over to one of them that would go through, and I'm not remembering to do it. Listen, I tell you, listen. So my sister said she didn't hear from me come the 26th till now, she didn't hear from me. So this morning she heard from me. Now she said, I need a swift kick. If it takes so long for make sure hear from me, I say, I'm okay, man. But it's good to know people care about you, It's a good feeling. So my people, again, take it easy. I just, now I'm bombarding them with a heap of video them, but me just really have to share them. Can I get the period, I'm going to cut it. I want to get the period, I don't want to cut it, I'm going to see it fresh. And so that's it. Fresh and nice. Take care of yourselves. Bye.